Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today I'm going to share you with how to make a scanner which help to pick jackpot stock for intraday trading. Last week I made a video about intraday jackpot trading strategy and I'm getting good response from my subscribers. That's why I plan to make a scanner for that strategy. If you didn't watch that video, just visit my website nicholasmiller.com. There intraday trading jackpot strategy, you can see it. Just click it and watch this video, then you can get the idea about how these strategies work. It's very simple. After pre-market close, we select the stocks which show above 1% or below 1%. That are the stocks we are selecting from that list, and we are following opening 5 minutes high and low break, opening 5 minutes candle high and low breakout strategy, and target as previous day high and low. That's our target. Okay, but some subscribers are request to make a scanner for this. Sometimes more stocks are comes and it's hard to pick the best stock from that list, and we are following opening 5 minutes candle high low breakout strategy, so it take more time once selecting the best stocks. So I just plan to make a scanner for this. Anyway, let's see how to make a scanner. First you need Excel. Latest version is a fine one, because this scanner is not working with the 2007 version. Excel 2013 is working fine, and you just install Power Query also. Okay, then next step is just visit NSE India website and live market section. You can see pre-open market, just click it, then right click, inspect, networks, control R, then dot, then select here, select to FNO stocks, and here filter dot JSON, then F4 JSON, you can see it. Just copy the link address back to our Excel sheet. Just select Power Query from web, just select it, and paste it. Paste the link and click OK. Here you can see list, just click the list. To table, click OK. Here you can see the symbol, just click it, untick this one, click OK, and just remove unwanted items. Okay, and we want only this is open price and this is percentage change. Just select both and convert to decimal number. Okay, then close and load. Okay, now pre-market open data comes here. So every day after 9:10 you just open this page and go to data and refresh around 9:10. That means after pre-market close you just refresh it. So whatever data is there, it will be automatically updated here. No need to open the website, just refresh it. That's it. Okay, then we need bow copy of previous day. Here name as bow copy, and download previous day bow copy. Just go to Google, NSE bow copy, first link, just click it, and here select bow copy and just select previous day and click data. Okay, it's loaded. Then double click, open the Excel sheet, and here serious section we want only EQ stocks, so just filter EQ, untick all, we want only EQ stock, and just select all and copy back to our Excel sheet, bow copy section, paste. Do this every day. Just copy and paste previous day above copy, that's it. And after 9-10 you just refresh it, then it will be updated. Then make the scanner. Here is the scanner. First we need to add the stocks. Control C, Control V. Okay, now we add the stock. Next step is previous day high and low. Previous day high, the low is equal to VLOOKUP ACC tab, comma, power copy 1 2 3 4 for false, enter. Okay, then high comes here. Same way VLOOKUP bracket open ACC, comma, power copy 1 2 3 4 5 dot false. Okay, then select these two column, double click, then all that will be updated. Next step is percentage. Pre-open market percentage. VLOOKUP ACC, comma, then pre-market 1 2 3 4 5, comma, false. Okay, just double click, then open price. Pre-market open price VLOOKUP, comma, ACC, comma, 1 2 3 false. Okay, now we got open price. Just now apply our conditions. It should be more than 1%. So if bracket open percentage higher than, if, or bracket open percentage higher than 1 or percentage less than -1, then active or okay, there is a mistake is there. Okay, comma, now okay, should place a comma here. Okay, bottom there is no stocks below 1%, that's why. And another one, open should be inside the range of previous day high and low. Then if and open greater than previous day low but open less than previous day high, bracket close, again active, comma, double click. Okay, then okay, these are the stocks are inside the range of previous day. We want both matching, so if and bracket open F column is equal to active, comma, G column is equal to active, comma, active, or then hide these two column or else you will get confusion. Now just scroll down. Okay, see only 1 2 3 4 5 stocks are active as per yesterday section. So after 9-10 you just refresh the data here. So what are the stocks are showing active, just select that particular stocks only from here, or you can filter it. Just click the Just click here and you can see filter option, filter it, click filter. Okay, so these are the 5 stocks only active as per yesterday jackpot selecting stocks. So Mintree, the first one is Mintree. So just open Mintree chart, just check. Okay, just mark opening high and low. Okay, and our target is previous day low. See, once it's break, it goes up, then comes down and hit the target. One more stocks we can select, Cadillac. Five means high and low. See, once it's break the 5 minutes low, it hit the previous day low. So this was the previous day low, that's our target. Like that way you can select this stock easily, and target and stop loss also. Stop loss and target based on 5 minutes high and low. Stop loss is based on 5 minutes high and low, and target is based on previous day high and low. So you can get the exact figure here. Okay. So it's very simple. So just follow these steps and make this scanner, and after pre-market close, just open this Excel sheet and make sure that update previous day bow copy. Once you update previous day bow copy, just comes to scanner page and data, just refresh it. That's it. Whatever the stocks are matching, it will be show active, so you can filter the active stocks. So before market open, you get the list of stock list with the levels. This is the levels, and opening 5 minutes just opening time, you just mark the opening 5 minutes candle high and low, and you can use any other indicators also to more confirmation for buy or sell. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasmilo2070@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasmilo.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.